Welcome to the demo video showcasing H-Office Sales CRM solution for pharmaceutical manufacturing and pharmaceutical job work companies. Pharmaceutical manufacturing companies face a myriad of challenges in their sales processes, including inefficient lead management and lead follow-ups mechanism, communication gaps between sales and purchase teams, manual processes for obtaining product rates and availability, lack of real-time visibility into lead status and lead-wise product order status, privacy concerns regarding lead contacts, absence of a sophisticated quotation management system. Introducing H-Office CRM, the solution that redefines simplicity in lead management, internal costing retrieval, quote generation, follow-ups, orders booking, and report management. With H-Office CRM, several crucial process steps in pharmaceutical sales can be automated. Lead management: efficiently receive and manage leads from various sources for manufacturing various medicines, including formulations, within H-Office CRM. Forwarding product lists to purchase department using lead product costing requester. Automate the process of forwarding product lists to the purchase team without disclosing lead contact details, ensuring seamless communication and collaboration between sales and purchase teams. Obtaining landing cost with Formula Engine. Streamline the process of obtaining landing cost for lead products by leveraging its powerful Formula Engine. This feature enables the automation of calculating additional costs such as transportation, taxes, and duties based on the vendor cost. Updating final rates in product costing request to send back to the sales department. Efficiently prepare a comprehensive cost sheet, including the final rates, against the shared product list with item availability within H-Office CRM. Quotations preparation. Automate the process of preparing quotations for client approval based on the purchase team's costing within H-Office CRM, ensuring swift and accurate quotations to drive sales. Automated order processing and lead status updates. Upon receiving order confirmations for products from the client based on shared quotations, the sales orders and pro forma invoices can be created directly from the quotation within the system, and the lead status could also be updated automatically. Real-time reporting. Access real-time reports and analytics, including daily lead analysis, status tracking, and more, providing management with valuable insights into costing, quotations, orders, and lead progression. Let's take a closer look at how H-Office CRM transforms the pharmaceutical sales process. Lead management. Let's log into the system using the sales account and navigate to the leads section, where you can view all your leads. By clicking on the Compose button, you can add a new lead to the system. In the lead title field, you can enter a relevant title for your lead. You can click on the plus icon to add a new contact to H-Office. If the contact already exists in your system, you can simply start typing the contact name, and the contact will appear in the drop-down for selection. Information about the contact, such as associated contact, mobile, email, etc., will start appearing on the screen. You can select values for fields such as lead assigned to, created by, priority, status, source of inquiry, and more. Underneath, you can add the products and their quantities for which the client has inquired. You can add more information about this lead and attach any relevant documents if needed, then save the lead. Once the lead is saved, you can find it at the top of the list. Click on it to view the details you have added. Lead follow-ups. When the sales team conducts a follow-up, they can add it to the particular lead for future reminders, ensuring that lead tracking remains updated. Click on the Add Follow-up button, select the outcome of the conversation, add details of the person you interacted with, select the mode of communication, add customer remarks, select the next action date for a reminder, add other necessary details, and save the follow-up to the lead. Once the follow-up is added, it appears in LIFO, last in, first out, format on the lead detail page. Lead product costing request. When a sales department executive requires rates from a purchase department executive, they can create a product costing request by clicking on Actions Create Product Costing. All products added to the lead are automatically included here, along with other important details already added to the lead. You can provide a title and other necessary details for this rate request and select the purchase department executive from whom you want to obtain the costing. Add your remarks and send the request. Purchase team updating rates. Let's log in using the account of a purchase team executive to whom the rate request has been assigned. Upon logging in, you will receive a notification for the new rate request. By clicking on the notification, you can review the request. The purchase team can now proceed to obtain rates for the products from its vendors and return to submit the rate request. To submit the rates, navigate to the Products, Inventory, Custom BOM section, where you will find all the costing requests assigned to you. Select the costing request for which you want to submit rates, click on it, then click on the Edit button to update your rates. Quotations. Once the purchase team shares the costing, the sales team member who created the request will be notified. Let's check the rates by logging into the sales executive account now. Navigate to the particular lead, then to Custom BOM Details, where you can find the submitted costing request. Click on it to view the rates. Create a quotation right from the same screen by clicking on Create Quotation. All details of the contact and products will be fetched automatically from the lead, and the purchase team's costing will appear in the BOM cost column. Based on this, the sales team can add the sales margin and sales rate. Fill in the required additional details such as statutory details, shipping details, terms and conditions, cover letter and annexure to prepare the quote. Once created, you can print or email a copy of the quotation in your desired format to send it to your customer. Sales orders. After submitting a quotation, if the client places an order, you can swiftly create the sales order directly from the quotation. To create a sales order from a shared quote, go to the particular lead, then Custom BOM Details. Open the costing request, click on the quotation, click Approved, and close the window to update the status. Reopen the same quotation, and you will find the Sales Order button. Click on it. All details will be copied from the quotation in edit mode. Modify the details if required, enter the sales order date, and other important information. Let's assume that out of 3 products, only 2 have been ordered so far, and for 1 product, a rate revision was requested. Simply delete the product from the sales order and proceed further. All additional charges based on the client's location are automatically calculated by the system and added. Add statutory and shipping details. Create your sales order. Once the sales order is created, you can check it under the Custom BOM Details Sales Order tab in the particular lead to confirm the order. Since not all products have been approved by the client, you can update the product-wise status in the lead by clicking on Set Product Status and updating the product level status, which can be monitored in real time by management. H-Office CRM provides comprehensive insights and analysis to empower informed decision-making and drive business growth. It includes some key reports such as the daily work report, lead level product rate analysis, costing sheet with additional expenses charges, lead level product order 1 lost analysis, quotation analysis, sales order analysis, and more. Experience increased sales efficiency, enhanced customer relationships, streamlined operations, data-driven decision-making, and measurable business growth with H-Office CRM. Ready to revolutionize your pharmaceutical sales management? Contact us today to learn more or schedule a demo.